Hello again. So today we will study about menstrual cycle. Okay. So yeah, it's very important topic, right? Of our anatomy and physiology subject. Okay. So let's start menstrual cycle. Okay. So we will start with the meaning or origin of menstrual cycle. Okay. Let's see where this word comes from. Menstrual. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So menstruation and menses are derived from the Latin word which is mensis. Okay, means monthly. Okay, monthly means we call our menstrual cycle monthly cycle also. Okay, because our menstruation only comes once in a month, right? And it continues for 3 4 7 days. For it varies among different women, but menstruation comes once in a month. And in normal condition, obviously in normal condition menstrual comes once in a month, so that's why it means monthly. Okay, so menses means monthly, and that's why from menses menstruation or menses come, so that's why we called menstruation cycle monthly cycle, because it comes once in a month. Okay, I hope the meaning is clear. Let's see the definition. Okay, so the monthly cycle to the monthly cycle of changes in the ovaries, in the ovaries and the lining of uterus endometrium that makes the pregnancy possible. Okay, so my menstrual cycle is a monthly cycle because it comes only once in a month. And why this happen, why this menstrual cycle happen? Because of the changes in ovaries and the lining of uterus, which is endometrium. Okay, let's see here. This is the outer lining of the uterus, and this red portion is the inner lining of uterus, which is the endometrium, which shed during our menstrual cycle, comes as a blood. Okay, so so the changes in the ovaries and changes in the lining of the uterus means endometrium that makes the pregnancy possible. Okay, so because of our menstrual cycle we get pregnant. Okay, we girls get pregnant. So because of the changes in ovaries and the endometrium layer, the changes in the endometrium layer, pregnancy is possible, getting pregnant is possible. I hope that's clear. Okay, so now move to the next definition. The cycle of physiological and hormonal changes from the beginning of one menstrual period to the next. Okay, from the beginning of this cycle, this is a cycle, right, which continues, right? So the cycle of physiological means bodily, and hormonal means the hormonal changes like estrogen, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. Because of the all changes in our hormonal balance from the beginning of one menstrual cycle, like today we are suppose today my menstruation start, so from today this menstrual cycle will start, and it ends, and then after this month is what, this month is May, right? So on May today I have my menstruation, and after so I will have on June, right? So from May to June this cycle continues. I hope it's clear. From one month to the next month means from one menstruation to the next menstruation, from the beginning of one menstruation to the next. This is called menstrual cycle. Okay, let me show you. I will show you in the later. Okay, the cycle. Okay, so it is also called bleeding phase. So menstrual cycle is also called bleeding phase. Okay, so this phase is 3 to 5 days. Okay, this bleeding phase, menstruation continues for 3 to 5 days. It can continues for 7 days also. It varies in different women, right? And the endometrium layer shades, as I have already told you, that the inner lining of the uterus, which is endometrium, this red portion, this shed during our, this is shed as blood during our menstruation. Okay, this is the functional layer. Average amount of blood loss during each menstruation is 30 ml. Okay, the blood loss which occur in menstrual cycle is 30 ml. Okay, so now menstrual cycle have 3 phases. Okay, menstrual cycle, this whole cycle from the beginning of one menstruation to the beginning of next is have 3 phases, which is follicular phase, ovulatory phase and luteal phase. Okay, and this menstrual cycle for usually for every woman is 28 days. Now let's understand this process. Okay, yeah, so I was talking about menstrual cycle, right? So this is the menstruation end. Today is menstruation ending, and the next month our menstruation cycle, our menstruation again starting. So between that period, it's called, between the end and the start, this period is 28 days, and this this called 28 days menstrual cycle. Let's understand in the calendar. Suppose this is January month, and this is February. I have written 4 dates only. So this is January calendar, and this is February. Just imagine. Okay, so I have my menstruation on January 1. Okay, and it continues till 4 January, and 4 it ends. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, I have 4 days of menstruation, so 4 ends. After that, here comes 28 days. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this. The 28th day is 1. Okay, 28 days came, stop here. So again I have, after 28 days, again I have my menstruation. So this period from beginning of my menstruation to the beginning of next month menstruation, this period, this whole period, this 5 6 7 8, all these dates, here our menstrual cycle occur, and this 28-day cycle is called menstrual cycle. I hope it's clear. From the beginning of one menstruation to the beginning of the next menstruation. Okay, yeah.